Hi, this is Agad with the EI product development team, and today we're going to make rainbow cookies. So you need white glue, pom-poms, crayon, Sharpie or a pencil, paper, and a compass. So you start by tracing 5 different circles on the paper. Then you write numbers 1 through 5. Next, you can color the cookies. This will be your cookies with crayons or whatever you have. So this will be chocolate cookies. And next, kids can start matching. So one pom-pom goes here, then you know that for the second one you need 2, and so on. So you have over here, you can use white glue to put them in the bag and secure them in place, or it can be more like a place mat. And yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. Perfect. See you next time.